Hello, beautiful Pleasant Grove students. We've had an excellent first few weeks of school, and today we're going to go over our computer lab rules again. Just make sure we have everything in order, everyone understands, and make sure that we keep our lab beautiful and running proficiently. Okay, let's go over some computer lab rules because y'all, I'm a little weak. First of all, we know that it's a school rule. We have no book bags, athletic bags, or bags of any kind allowed in our classroom. So please, put your book bags, all athletic bags, in your locker before arriving to class. This creates safety in our classroom. It also helps us to have more room in our classroom. As you all know, each one of our classes created a social contract. And in our social contract, we said that we would respect each other. So also, let's respect our equipment. This equipment is very expensive. It's very good equipment, and we want to take great care of it. We want to treat it just like it's our own. Remember, no food or drink in the computer lab. Treat the computer lab just like you would your own equipment. So you wouldn't want anybody spilling any food or drink on your cell phone. So let's not do it here in our lab. Place your gum in the trash can. If you happen to accidentally have some gum in your mouth, it's okay. When you get done chewing it, place it in the trash can. Do not put this gum under the computer desk. Do not do it. Treat this computer lab just like it's your own. You wouldn't stick gum under your bed at home. You wouldn't stick gum under your kitchen table at home. Do not do it here in our beautiful classroom. Next, do not touch or write on the computer monitors. So Ms. Lane's been staying late afterwards cleaning monitors. People have been writing on our monitors with pencils. They've been smearing, I don't know what they've been smearing on the monitors, but things have been getting smeared on the monitors. And it doesn't keep our room beautiful. It doesn't keep our room PG like we like it. So don't touch the monitors. There's really no reason to, and definitely do not write on our monitors. Please do not write on the desk as well. Ms. Lane's been staying after, wiping off pencil writing off of our desk after school. Please do not write on your desk. If you need to jot things down, use your paper, write on your own paper, write in your notebook, not on our desk. You all, we have assigned seats here in our computer lab. So make sure you stay at your assigned computer and workstation. From now on, at the end of class, I'll be going by checking everyone's workstation to make sure it's neat and clean. And if you let somebody else in your station, you're going to take the blame for anything that might have happened to your workstation. So please only use your assigned computer and workstation. Keep your workstations clean. Do not leave anything behind, such as pencils, papers. Place all trash in the trash can. So if your pencil happens to break, if you have some balled up paper, torn up pieces of paper, make sure you put all of that in the trash can before leaving the classroom. If you need to use my broom for any reason, please ask. You can use my broom. Remember, I'll be doing daily workstation checks, so remember to keep your station clean. Next, report cyberbullying. So I want you to report this if it's happening in our classroom or outside of the classroom. You can come up to me and tell me in private what's going on, and I will make sure an administrator knows. We take cyberbullying very seriously at Jefferson County Schools. Please let me know if any cyberbullying is happening. I have no way of knowing unless you tell me. No going on websites that are not approved. So that's including YouTube and gaming websites. Do not go on any of those unless it's something I've approved for you to do beforehand. Please sign out of your computer before leaving. So if I can, I'll try and show you how to sign out right now. Because if you don't sign out this way, your information will be left on the screen. So you go to the Windows button. It's at the bottom left-hand corner. It's out of my frame right now, unfortunately. But go to the Windows button and then go to this little man here, this little image, and your name here. Click your name, and then you can sign out from there. Hopefully most of that got onto my screen. I think some of it got cut off. But sign out using that function. So make sure you sign out, because if you don't sign out, the next person who comes in after you, your name will be up on the screen. They may accidentally try and put their password into your name, and then you'll get locked out of your username. So we don't want that to happen. Thank you all so much for this little update and refresher on our computer lab rules. I know this 2023-2024 school year is going to be an awesome year, and we're going to learn so much, and we are going to continue to keep our room looking fresh and clean and running properly. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.